Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome to the 2020 version of Light Up Jeff. Obviously, we're doing things a little different this year because we want to keep everyone in the community safe. So instead of our usual parade, festival, and big event downtown, we called our friends at Pro Media, and they're helping us produce this great video that you can enjoy from the safety of your own home with your family. So we've got Santa and Mrs. Claus here, Mayor Mike Moore, and we're gonna light up Warder Park. We have some really great decorations for you to enjoy this year. So without further ado, Light Up Jeff 2020.
3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas, everyone. From all of us in Jeffersonville, we hope all your dreams come true.
And there you have it, Light Up Jeff 2020. We want everyone to come enjoy the beautiful decorations put up by Holiday Lightworks here at Warder Park. Bring your family, drive through in your car. If you do get out, please stay socially distanced, but please enjoy the holiday spirit that we've created here at the park. Light Up Jeff 2020 at Warder Park is brought to you by Holiday Lightworks and Lowe's.